Hello boys and girls, welcome to YouTube! A little special edition video today. We're doing a bike build. You may recognise this Commencal MetaSX from such videos as my Whistler trip, or Threadbow, or Medina. It got gutted to build my DV8 Claymore. I took all the parts off it and it's been sitting in the cupboard for a little while. So I decided to rebuild it as a park bike. Had to buy a few bits, but existing shock, existing frame, existing headset. Bought this shiny new red and blue SQ Lab saddle, tidal seat post. It's going to be slammed. I just put some new cranks on it, existing bottom bracket, existing wheel set, some fresh tires. These are the ones that were always supposed to be on the bike, but took so long to get here that I built it up with something else. So brand new tires. Cannot get these anymore. Tan wall Continental De Kaisers in the black chili compound. The important thing, single speed life. Mullet setups at 29 front. Shiny new parts. Look at this, we have the Tidal AH1 red bars. Brand new Marzocchi Bomber coil Z1s. Never ridden a coil fork, so let's see how that goes. A few existing parts of these are the pedals that were off it, grips, headset, single speed, and a set of Shimano XT brakes. So we're going to build it up in a nice little time lapse. Yew! Yew! Okay boys and girls, there you have it. One complete park bike ready to rock. Obviously need to set up these new forks, brand new out of the packet, but they are coils, so we don't even need to set sag. Hopefully I picked the right spring. The shock's existing, so I know it's set up right. Probably just check a few torque settings. I did torque everything up. I need to drop the saddle once it's down at the stand here. A quick bike check. So we got the FR541s, just bulletproof park wheel. Some nice Shimano XT brakes. Of course, the single speed. This is a reverse components kit on a Shimano driver. So yeah, just beautiful. It's a downhill chain, so it's a bit thicker than your normal enduro chain. Always in the right gear. XT cranks with the Deity Death Trap pedals. SQ Labs Wings for Life Special Edition saddle in the red and blue, tidal seat post. Moving forward, we have the Race Face turbine stem, Tidal AH1 alloy bars in the red, of course. There's our XTs. The nice Marzocchi Bomber Z1 coil. These graphics are going to come off. The full scene graphics will go on. I'll do that once my hands are all clean and I've got some better lighting. Of course, the Continental tan walls, which you cannot get anymore. So hopefully I find some other tan walls that I like before these ones wear out. And of course the one-up extra life stem. So this bike is going to be used for park riding. So Green Valleys. This has already done the Pro Line drop, so I'm keen to tick off a few more of the big features, get that whole slopestyle line on this bike. It was kind of plan A with it. Threadbow, when the snow melts and summer comes, I have a trip booked to Queenstown in New Zealand, Skyline Bike Park. So this is coming with me for that. That's just going to be a long weekend in November. Yeah, tell me where else you would ride a single speed, super clean cockpit, coil forked park weapon like this. Enjoy. Yeah. Let's just take a moment to stare at this beast, huh? Ooh. Look at that cockpit. So clean.